Hi, you are on the channel Pretty Models. Be sure to watch to the end. Pleasant viewing. Starla Yancy was born on August 15, 1999 in California, United States. She will be 23 on August 15, 2022. Her astrological sign is Leo. Starla Yancy stands 5 feet 3 inches tall or 160 centimeters, body type, curvy. She has a beautiful brown hair and brown eyes. Color, marital status, single, nationality, American. Starla Yancy was born and raised in the United States. She lives in Los Angeles, California. The beauty model has been posting on Instagram since July 2021. She has been modeling for some brands like No Style USA, Haute Fashion Boutique, Laura's Boutique, Sitting Pretty Clothing, Crazy Daisy, Shop Joe Fash, TikTok LA, PM Cosmetics, Shine Official, Vibrant Mio, Divine by Anna, Shop Wardrobe Trends, The Luxe Doll Boutique, Kilika's Lashes, Fuse Fashion, Flat Tummy CO, Beauty Boutique by Angel, Live Fabulously, Desire Beauty, Shop Nova Rose, Boss Babes Boutique, and several others. On Instagram and Twitter, Starla Yancy has attracted more than 124,000 followers who can't get enough of her stunning contents.